Bago na ganyan niya na uniform no. Naluag pa na sa iya ha.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi Forsaken fans. I am with
Magkasya ka sa iya ate pero may una siya suot na
oh there's a lot of conflict. Oh it's the right way.
pwede po sa mga nagsunod mo.
Yeah, I think somebody is on the voice chat.
Mapibigay ako ba ng arise?
Oh.
Ayan, ma'am, Janet, huwag yan, nakachika. Ako nga naman. Pamukot na. Good morning. Ito din, butin mo. Mali pa. Wala akong balat yan. So, maday, kuha na. Go na kita to. Karoon sa Sabado. Sa kanin Sabado no. Di na siguro ni.
Ito mo na, hantod ang mapalat na sila na.
Baon na naman ka. Baon na naman.
Kapag na, balik-balik ka din lang.
Gusto ka. Sige pa.
Kailangan na doon, ang kapag na siguro.
Pwede.
Sa pag-pwede ka po.
Okay. I'm going to chop some. Oh, no one even find it here. Okay.
Karoon na to. Unsa na tindahan. Maparaya to last time. Ang nagbibigay na dito. Ay, siya ma'am. Wala lang yung pick up. Alam ko na. Ika na. Masya, ano na yung muna store. Buha ko itong isa ka store, no? Kaya wala ko sila ka-prepare daan.
Don't mind the bad words to the friend.
Ay, siya naman.
Finally.
Maingon yung itong matagam na ko aning Montessori.
Okay. Let's get the first kid.
Kalibo ko na ninyo.
Day one.
Napatidunghan. Wala ko sa boss. Napatidunghan. Wala ko yung mama niya.
Wala pa?
Two more.
Wala may January din.
Wala January celebrant ate.
Wala?
Yes.
Okay.
Wala ko siya sa apuan. Wala. Wala. February.
Get the kid.
Uga ka.
Okay.
What is it, February? Utok din ng mga bata.
So,
March.
oh, finally. I just need to go to apps now. This year.
Rhea. March. April.
Go. Got the first kid. Do need. Okay.
Wala. April na April wala naman. April.
Ay, oo. Isa na si April. Ay, oo. Mahawa ba yan siya, no?
April?
Ay, si Erika. Ay, maka-birthday kaya mo ba na sa hating ano? Training man na.
Tama,
Malimot ka na training ka. Oo, si Erika din. Ako din na sila na-interchange ba? Huwag nga, no?
Okay.
Sige mo, sila dikit. Mapagkamalan ako ang isa na sila. Ba't sila parihag na yun?
So, like, okay. Finally. So, here.
Asa 26, ako 27.
Ano ba?
Skip. Go.
Naghanag June o July, no?
And
Dapo.
go here.
Nagkuan pag yun, nagdigkit.
But I thought somebody was voice chatting here.
Alamian sa August siya ra isa, September siya ra tud isa, si October pod.
Si Herbert.
Oo man.
Wala si Peter. Wala si Peter.
Kaya wako man apil mo ka magino na remind ko sa number ni.
Wala pa si Peter.
Paper has a little I could dash.
Ano man, nagulo siya sa bahada.
Para ko ang kwarto ni Ejan. Wala yung naguga ang door.
Oo ba?
Ito na si Herbert. Sila ko sila. Ako, kita nung ako.
Nakatawagan sa ano dito. Ako na ko na sila ako eh. Kasi nakakita ko ganit ko pa isa ganit na.
No, he died.
Si Kaka ko
Wala, very sweet.
Nakurutan ko si hindi mo na mo ba? Amaw.
Bro, already get the kid, though. No. Oh, that's right. Oh, second kid, I need more ammo though. Yes. There you go.
Wala pa ka?
Let's get the second kid. Oh my goodness. Oh frick.
I thought you were playing with Candy's one.
Oh frick.
Mommy, can you hear me? Okay.
Finally. Ooh.
See, can you hear me?
Later.
Mommy won't respond to me.
Okay, there you go. Oh, okay, that's nice.
Are you calling someone?
Bro. There you go. Bro, okay. Put you in my sock. Go. And let's get you too. Bro. Oh, frick. Okay. Coming. No. No, please, no. Okay, he's far. Bro, no. Don't glitch on me. Don't glitch on me. Okay, that's good. Bro. Bro, he left?
Mga kapuso, update lang. Nandito na ang iba pang mga kuwag sa pag-iwan mo niyang flood control
15 wood? Oh my goodness.
mga taga
Here. Got it.
Pero, from
8 plus 7. Okay.
orange silang shirt.
What you mean tropical? We don't need the ball for real. Ball for real.
Nakamask.
Ball for real?
Pati nga sila dito ngayon para to dun sa African issue mo or
Is anyone okay? One here. I'll grab something too.
So, i-confirm lang natin kasi mga nakamask, mahirap magbigay ng information.
Why are you eating something?
YouTube.
Okay.
Tsaka,
Got all of it here. Still need more.
Are you gonna make that a short or what?
Video.
I've never even seen you making a YouTube video ever.
susunod
I
po
only
sila.
do
I
YouTube
made-
shorts.
For context,
I made it like
natin,
exam.
What's that? Yeah, what's your channel name?
Tokyo Girl _gaming. And the the zero is it is like how you spell the cool kid. C lowercase c 00L kid. Mga anak.
So is the I like one or not?
Yes, the I is one.
And then underscore gamer?
Yes, that's just all.
Is the A like a 4 or what? And is the E 3 or what?
No, it's just normal gamer. Oh, nice crockpot. We need a boil filler. Boil filler.
Does your mom not know that you're having a
Yes. Bro. I need food.
Whether you have money
I'm
or
gonna
not,
make a AFK spot.
need to get it.
where's your AFK spot?
Maybe near the campfire.
Put it in the doors. Like the I forgot what to call that.
There you go.
I'm gonna put my box.
Okay. How many ammo do I have? Okay. I think I should find a third kid. I should find a third kid. There you go. Okay, let's go. I need to find third kid now. After third kid, I will AFK. That's all. Oh, she already found the third kid. That's nice. Oh,
How did you access chat? Mommy?
no. Oh, that's not third kid. Okay, I'll go here. Is this something open? Okay, that's open. Okay,
Where is that green spot?
girl, have you seen the update?
No?
Okay. It's a fairy tale land. No, please. No, please. Please, no. Okay, that's good.
So if there's a fairyland, is there a new chest?
Yeah. We still need to kill the tree. Bruh. Okay, that's what I need to. Okay. Right over there. Right over that tree house in that place, okay. I will go to the tree house first to kill all these alpha that will chase me.
I'm the alpha. I'm the one.
Bro. Oh, shit. Bro. This is what I hate. I already have.
It's bad news.
That's fine. She left. It's only me then. I guess I'll make mine already. Okay. Bro. I think this is enough. The wood. I need wood. Okay, go. Let's go. Dun, 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 But oh shit. Why now? Guess I'll get this ready.
It's every 5 days. Is it?
Yeah. Bro, I'm preparing. Oh yeah, she left. I'll take that. Wrong.
Protect your children. Because you gave birth to those children.
I did not even give birth to
To
this
those
children.
children.
No. Where are they? Oh. There's one more. Is it? Maybe the last one.
What do you do the closest friends? I remember I kept on buying those.
Don't even remind me.
I bought too many of those. Or you just
Too
got
many, huh? Too many.
Who's the one who got the one? Remind you of that. I got too many of them.
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Because she's smart.
Go. I am smart, but why? I'm gonna get.
I don't know, he needs the jet. No, 16. 7.
Go. Wait, he's back. I could get my good axe. Good axe? No.
It's a her. Wait, is it? No, that's a her.
I don't like you. I like you, but I don't like you. I guess I'll just stand with my good axe though.
Where do you find that bear house? There's no bears.
Third kid. Fourth kid.
Yeah, but you cannot find where they are. Sure. Subscribe to her right now so that you could gain a lot of subs.
I already have 31.
Subscribe. I only have 4. Subscribe.
Oh,
Subscribe.
what shorts do you do?
Are you sure you want to be cringe out?
Yeah, sure.
I think emoji cat.
Yeah. Oh,
But I just quit.
wow. How many coins do I have? 30. Wow, that's responsible.
You could also be a VTuber if you want.
Maybe.
VTubers are cool, but you have to design your own avatar.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. What?
Wait, do you know Oliver and Nakapasisty?
What?
And Nakapasisty? Lago Dinner.
Huh? Huh?
I
Okay.
really want to buy that wood shelter thing. I really want to. I have an urge to. Can I see how many wood you have? 3.
Not that much. Okay, that's good. You already saw. Oh
I did
no.
not see. I was blind.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's so much. 3.
Okay, last 3.
Okay, then no.
I also need more meat. Bro, no, the wrong
Gusto ni Core na OT. Kanang, ako nag-i-take out as cash short kung cash at pinabili ka.
Bro.
Ato, wala
So
na
he's
po
just
4,000.
gonna
Ako
use
lang po
that.
siya pending bili. But ako lang
I'm
dito
taking.
na short siya.
Bro, that's not awful. And the ram just woke up, not the owl. Just saying. Bam, 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 bam.
Kay, lain mo ko tayo atin na pending gani siya. Ang ato ang cash short, wala na istorya o tama na bahayan. Unsay,
Bam, 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 bam.
4,007. Kaduha ba yan ang wala?
Suspicious thing. Those kids. Do it window. Let's get to the food, yeah.
Actually, account na cash short atin. Nagamitan naman ako to dati at ang sport atin. Nag-charge na ng cash short atin. Pero wala siya, itik na sa maika-isa 2,000. More na ako na Oo, ang kaluwa. Ang kanang core, napaamin din mo si na nakuha siya. Si di ba yung hatulikat na himukag entrapment sa iya, ha? Na imuhang nila nakitaan siya ni Stephanie. Pero gusto tinuod good. Yung siya di-atik mo. Na nakitaan ka ni Stephanie na nagtulog ka sa kuan. Also, yes, yung hindi. Ang 7, kung na ako palit, pag-account na ko, kulang sa 7. Zero pala. Kung ano ba ate? Nagpalit ko 3. Paint o katong nagpayad ka ka siya klaw, wag-ana. Nakidibayan kay siya klaw.
Law ya. Upan ko sa full bila ka sa law.
Ay, dili, nakikibayran kay Chef Lau ato ba? Ang kato na incident pa, so imo siya ni-open, kay nagbayad ka kay Chef Lau, o nagpalit ka og paint. Mao to siya ang transaction ato. Ano mo na, bantog ka nag-open.
Okay na.
Ang cash, anong bantog imo siya i-open kay kung nakay need na bayaran.
So gani, di ba ka ito nga gagawin ng pinong kuhan, kuha na ko pa naman sa dapat na level naman.
Yes, so na-account na nato to, i-account na ko to, tama to, na pero na-actually 7,000 na unaccountable, ay unaccounted for, na dili na siya makitaan.
Kung tayo, hindi ko pa sa kwarta, kumapa na sa ako.
Last year, mga around December siguro na ate, kaya feeling na ako siya kilaw man, siguro regarding sa Christmas party na pagkaon sa bato. Or Thanksgiving, kanama kong date. Ang date ate is, November, Thanksgiving ni, November 26 na hitabo ate. November 26 na hitabo ang short.
I'm gonna like chill. Cause, you know,
11 in total.
then like